Reducing payroll errors with automation is one of the best ways to save time and ensure accuracy in your business. Whether you're managing a small team or handling a large payroll system, automation is the key to reducing the risk of mistakes that can cost you time and money. In this video, we'll show you how to reduce payroll errors with automation and how you can make your payroll process smoother than ever. First, let's talk about the biggest problem businesses face when handling payroll manually: human error. When you're processing payroll manually, there's always a chance for miscalculations, missed deductions, or incorrect tax rates. These mistakes can lead to unhappy employees, penalties from the IRS, or both. That's where automation comes in. With the right payroll automation tools, you can eliminate those errors and streamline the entire payroll process. Now, you might be wondering, what's the best way to reduce payroll errors with automation? The answer is simple: use reliable payroll software. This software can automatically calculate wages, deductions, and taxes based on the current laws and employee data. This means no more time spent manually inputting data or checking calculations. You can trust the software to get it right every time. With most payroll software, all you need to do is input your employees' hours and relevant information, and the system will do the rest. Another key benefit of payroll automation is its ability to stay up to date with changing tax laws and payroll regulations. Tax rates change frequently, and staying on top of those changes manually can be overwhelming. Payroll software, however, automatically adjusts to the latest tax updates, making sure that your payroll is compliant without you having to worry about it. But automation doesn't stop there. It also helps prevent delays in processing payroll. One of the common mistakes in manual payroll is missing deadlines for processing and submitting payments. With automated payroll, you set it up once, and the software takes care of the rest, including timely disbursements and tax filings. This reduces the chance of missing a payment or filing late. Now, if you're ready to take your payroll automation to the next level, we've tested some of the most popular payroll software on the market, and I'm happy to say that we found one that stands out. The software we'll be using is simple to implement and includes an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. You can find that link in the description below if you want to follow along and start reducing payroll errors today. To recap, here's what you need to know about reducing payroll errors with automation. 1. Automating your payroll reduces the risk of human errors like miscalculations or missed deductions. 2. Payroll software automatically stays up to date with tax regulations and employee data, ensuring compliance. 3. Automation helps eliminate delays and ensures timely payroll processing so employees get paid on time. The key takeaway here is that payroll automation not only saves you time, but also ensures your business stays compliant and error-free, which means fewer headaches for you and more satisfied employees. Remember, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. It's a great opportunity to try out the software and see how it can help you reduce payroll errors with automation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.